In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the recipient's first name to your emails in Mailchimp. This is a great way to personalize your emails and make them feel a bit more special for your subscribers. Adding a personal touch really helps in making your email content more engaging and can significantly improve your open rates. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Mailchimp account and open the email campaign you're working on. Head over to your email project, and this is where we'll begin making the necessary changes. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your email template displayed, and it's here that we'll be focusing our efforts. Next, locate the text box where you want to include the recipient's first name. Click on this text box to activate it, and you should see a toolbar appear at the top of the editor. One of the key features in this toolbar is the Merge Tag menu. Merge tags are pretty nifty tools that pull in dynamic data from your audience, allowing you to customize each email with unique information like a subscriber's first name. Now, click on the Merge Tag button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll see various options. You want to select First Name from the list. By doing this, you insert a merge tag that automatically populates each email with the first name of the recipient from your contact list. This is a powerful way to ensure your emails don't feel generic and instead resonate on a more personal level with each person on your mailing list. Once you've added the merge tag for the first name, you can continue to format the rest of the email as you normally would. Feel free to add any additional content, images, or links that are part of your campaign. When you're satisfied with how your email looks, remember to preview and test it. Mailchimp offers a preview mode, which is incredibly useful to see how your email will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. Additionally, it's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to make sure everything is displaying correctly and that the first name appears as expected. After everything looks good, you can proceed to schedule or send your campaign. And there you have it. Your emails will now greet your subscribers by their first names, making them more engaging and tailored to each individual. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Personalizing your email marketing efforts is a simple yet effective strategy to enhance your communication with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and tricks. Happy emailing!